Hey everyone, it's Tina from TG Beauty Queens 101, and this is
Jessica from Dracula Bread 1962.
And that is
From JKJK Productions 101. Topsy.
And we are in a blizzard warning area, so I will show you how it is outside, because I promised you guys in a Winter Wonderland video, but I forgot. So, here we go. Jess, we'll go at that. Sorry. I'm going to try to make it as less bumpy as I can. Oh, it's like up in my face. So, this is the window, and I'm going to show you outside. Sorry, it's just focusing. So, it is snowing really hard. You guys probably cannot see that. Can you see this? Like, it's snowing. See, there's a couple speckles. But that's ground. That's down there. That is down the block. That is crushed snow. It is not the best weather to be out where I am. But I probably will go out knowing the perfect eye. But yeah, so we're gonna probably do a room tour next. Alright, so see you guys later. Bye.